Hello and welcome to Architectural Design Tools in Blender. I'm very excited to bring you this course. Blender has recently released its new version that is its most powerful and user-friendly software release to date. It is feature-packed with some great add-ons, improved UI and new real-time render engine. Blender has become a feature-rich architectural package that makes interior design and architectural projects a breeze to complete. My name is Thomas and I'm a technical director and Udemy instructor with over 40,000 students. By taking this course, you will learn everything necessary to take your interior design ideas, turning them into sketches and using the various drafting tools within Blender to bring that idea into the 3D world with realistic scale, material and lighting. This is a practical learning course that walks you step by step through the process of creating these wonderful 3D scenes. Architecture and interior design are huge areas and it's something Blender has gotten really great at. Blender is fast becoming integrated and used across many industries by architects, engineers and designers. So join me in this course and you will become successful designing amazing scenes in Blender. You don't need any previous Blender experience. We really do begin at the basics and start building up your knowledge from scratch. So come join me and I hope to see you inside.